Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the notification block with aBlocks. A notification is a pop-up message that quickly grabs your visitor's attention with key updates, promotions, or alerts. First, open the section of your website where you want the notification to appear. Then, search for Notification Block and insert the aBlocks notification block into your section. Once added, you're ready to customize the look, message, and behavior of your notification to engage your audience effectively. Now head over to the General tab to start customizing. At the top, you'll see two tabs, Content and Style. Make sure you're in the Content tab to configure the message and behavior of your notification. Here, you can set the title of your notification. This is the message your visitors will see first. Next, choose the HTML tag for your title. Set how often the notification should appear using the Notice Close option. Click on the Style tab at the top to access all the visual customization options. First, set the text color. Then, choose your background color. Scroll down to the Icon section to customize the Close icon. Choose your icon graphic, and choose the View mode. Next, primary color for the icon from Style area. Switch to Customize the title. Now, scroll and define the size of your title. Once you're happy with the content and style settings, go ahead and click the Save button to apply all your changes. Then, preview the page to see your beautifully customized notification block in action. And that's it. You've just created a powerful, attention-grabbing notification using the aBlocks notification block. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.